Hey, what's up, guys? So, one of our brands, Photobox, sells items on our Shopify store, and some of those items are pretty small, like accessories that we don't like to inventory and keep on hand. So, we typically, when those orders come through from Shopify, from our clients, we just go and rebuy them from Amazon and input that client's shipping information, and then it ships them directly to that client. We're essentially drop shipping them manually. It's a little bit of a tedious process, and you got to make sure you don't forget to do it. However, thanks to Ordermate, we've completely automated this. And so every time an item or order comes through our Shopify store, Ordermate will be triggered to reorder those supplies on Amazon and then ship them directly to the client and pass all that information from Shopify, from Ordermate, all the way to Amazon automatically. So I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how we did that. Check out my screen. I'm logged into Zapier here, which is what we're going to use. We're going to basically do a zap from the trigger's going to be from Shopify, and then it'll create that order through Ordermate. So let's go ahead and create a zap. And I have not set this up yet, so this will be the first time. Let's do a search for Shopify. So the trigger is going to be a new order. And we're going to log into our account. Okay, so it found an order. Perfect. See everything here. Okay, let's go ahead and continue. Now I'm going to want to create a filter here. So whenever an order comes through, we only want to trigger this automation for specific products. So only continue if Photobox print media 4x6 V7 print media 6 V7 needs to contain that. Okay. So we've got the new order comes through from Shopify. That's the trigger. Only continue if it's that specific product. And now we're going to add the Ordermate action. We're going to create an order. So this is going to be print media. So we do want to override some values because our default automation has our shipping address in there, but we want to ship to the client. So we need to override some of these values when the order comes through to Ordermate. So the quantity right there, line items quantity 4. That's coming from Shopify. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward through these next couple minutes. I'm basically just putting in the Shopify shipping address fields that will override the automation default fields. And that's really the only fields that are being changed on this automation. Everything else will stay default, like the billing address and payment information will stay the same. You'll notice there's a custom metadata field at the bottom. You can put in whatever data you want there. In this case, I'm going to put in order ID as a custom field and then put in the Shopify ID number, just for reference. Okay, now we've got all that information input in here. I'm going to actually test this, and then I'm going to cancel it once it goes through. So order was sent to Ordermate, test was successful. Now if I go here, orders, we should see that coming through. And I'm going to cancel it because I don't actually want to send this product out. But yep, that looks like that's going to work. So let's abort that. And that was going to the client that ordered that. Perfect. So from now on, every time a client makes an order for this product on Shopify, it will be triggered with Ordermate and drop shipped right to the client. That's it.